Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel Blue Hand Drawing. Today we're going to draw a nice fish and its name is shark. As you know, everybody knows this shark and this is very famous because of the movies and other stuffs in YouTube. Shark is known to everybody. This is very fearful and ferocious fish, attacks human and other animals in the sea. So that's why it has a bigger teeth, you can see here. All right, so teeth are like saw. It has a nose here. The large fin you can see from here like this. You can see this one over the water, so people understand, get a signal that shark is around. Its tail is like this half circle. We're going to connect this one. Then let's draw another line and a little fin here. Then I draw another line and it goes straight to the end. And the fin we can see here, and we are going to draw it. We can see another line like this one. It's all about the visualization. So all the details, when you draw it after completion, then you can see the whole scenario. The other side of the mouth opening is just connected here like this. Okay, so this is the basic shape of the shark. Now what we can do a little shading to draw a nice one. So let's put a basic shades of ash color with the pencil. So this looks like this. All right, so this is a basic shades at the bottom. Because of the lights, the shadow and the other characteristics, you can see usually it's dark at the bottom. All right, all right, now we're going to draw a deep color for the top part. I think the dark blue is going to be the nice in this case. Yep, so let's put the dark blue for the front part and the top part. As you can see that I'm putting an uniform color for the whole part of the body. Okay, so this is the top portion of the shark, the deep dark blue, and of course the tail. This is also going to be dark. Also, let's draw the color for the fin on the top part of the body. You can see a small fin here and another fin in this side. Okay. And this part is pretty dark, as you can see from here. We're going to make a shading variations here because of the thin colors as we are using to draw this shark. All right, so let's make these lines a little thicker and the border lines of each fin going to be thicker too. Here at the junction, let's make it thicker. Also at this junction. All right, so we can see that this is a very nice shark. If we want to show that this shark is underwater, then we can put some blue drawings like this. You can use the crayon colors to show the blue of the water. Okay, so the shark is inside the water and you can see it's swimming to upward direction. Alright guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Do practice at home, lots of practice, and please subscribe my channel if you like it, and stay with Blue Hand Drawings. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.